What? How could you have done that to me? How could you have done that to me? All in the name of marriage? I am not taking it. I am not taking it. I am not going to take what you have just done to me without my consent. Because of marriage.
Consent as a what?
You took all my properties I worked so hard to achieve at my tender age, all my sweat. You put it on your name without my consent.
Is that why you are shouting?
If that is what I'm shouting, did you tell me before you changed all my landless property, everything to your own name?
Am I not your husband? What is wrong with you?
Because you are my husband.
Why are you making this sound as if it's a serious issue?
So it's not serious?
Serious? I don't understand what... Is there anything else?
So you mean it's not serious? Did you ask me? We discussed about it before. I told you no. What it belongs to me, belongs to me. What belongs to you, belongs to you. Because this marriage is not so long.
Why are you sounding so troublesome? I don't see what you are dragging here. I discussed with you that we should change the house documents to my own name. I'm your husband. Are you not bearing my name?
Hey.
Are you going to leave your property on your father's name? For crying out loud, with this traditional wedding, everything is supposed to be in my name. Then why are you shouting? Making this seem as if it's a severe issue.
Did you come into my life because of property? You married me. Did you marry property? Did you marry property?
Yes.
You married my property.
If I marry you, I marry everything that concerns you.
Hey.
Everything that concerns you belongs to me. Including your property. Including my children. They all belong to me as a man.
But these are the things I achieved before I got married to you.
And so? And so?
Oh.
Me, I don't understand why you are
my wonderful people. This is a husband I married just 3 years ago.
This is your husband.
Yes, because you don't deserve to. You don't deserve any respect from me. You don't deserve any respect from me. This is a husband I married 3 years ago.
You don't have respect.
Here in Europe, I have worked so hard for myself, guys. I have worked so very hard for myself. What did he do? All my achievements in Nigeria. He went and changed the whole name. He changed it to his own name. Is this fair? I need you guys to give me a reasonable reply. Is it fair? I am not taking it. You have to change it to my name back. You have to do that. If not, this relationship is over, my guy. This relationship is over, bro.
You're calling me your guy.
You are my bro. You are my bro.
I'm your bro.
Come on there. You must change it, otherwise this relationship is over.
My people.
Yeah, my people. There's nothing like my people there.
You let me talk now. What's wrong with you?
Oh, I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Look at my people. Give me my property.
Pissed?
Give me my property. Why would you change my property to your name? Why would you change my property to your name?
Not your property.
Did you marry me?
Our property. Yeah, I married you now.
Okay, you married me. Did you marry my property?
Oh God.
Did you marry my property?
I wonder what kind. I'm just trying to just tolerate you.
Tolerate.
You are getting me angry too much. Look at the way you came on my people that change your property. What is there? Why are you making it sound as if it's a very, very serious issue? I don't see anything
Okay,
here.
explain to them if it's not a serious issue. Please share this video. Everybody must get to know this man. Everybody must get to hear this story because I am not taking it any longer. Everybody must get to know this. Is it fair? Is this fair? My husband took all my property. Explain to them how you did it, if it is right or not. They are here to settle the issue.
My people.
They are here to settle. Please don't forget to share.
Why are you shouting?
Yeah, go ahead.
Why are you shouting? And when
Don't even talk to me like that.
When you were talking, I did not interrupt
I
you.
go let you know, say, when I was making that money, I don't see darkness and I don't see light. Don't even go there, my dear. Don't even try it. Don't even try it.
My vulnerable people, I truly appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here to come and settle this issue. My wife is making this thing sound as if this thing is a big problem. I don't see any problem here. She is my wife. I married her for the past 3 years now. My people, I want to ask a question. Is it wrong for a man to change the wife's document to his name? She wants to leave the property in her own father's name. If I have done wrong, you guys should let me know. And secondly, she is shouting that I did not without her own consent. Yes, I discussed with her. I told her that this property is supposed to be in my name, in our name, not my name, the name you are bearing. I was to my greatest surprise that she just came out and started shouting that why did I change the property?
I hid those my documents. I hide it somewhere. So you'll be following me, you'll be looking for it is not real. It is not real. You just want to extort me because how can I trust you now? 3 years of marriage, how do you expect me to trust you? 3 years of marriage, a property that is worth more than 50 million naira, you put it on your name, only the name of marriage.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Is 50 million naira more profitable than your home husband?
Why are you so anxious to claim my property? You are not even treating me right inside this house.
I'm not anxious to claim your money or your property.
Why is it so important?
It is my right.
Yeah?
It is my right that everything belongs to me. Since you are under me, Christ is the head of the church, just as man is the head of your house.
Yeah, you can be the head of this house, but you must not be the head of the properties in Africa.
Every property under your name, once you get married, is supposed to be in your husband's name. As a traditional man that I am, how come? Okay, you will have your own property differently. I will have my own property differently. It's never done, my dear. This is not marriage. Marriage is understanding.
I'm not taking it. I need my property back. I don't care what you are saying. Tomorrow now you will say, come. You will say you don't want this relationship. How many of you in this Europe that stays with a woman forever? Now that you have 50 million, tomorrow now you will start telling me you are not a wife material. You are not a wife material. No. If you love me, it is because of me you came. You married me. Yes, I accepted for you to marry me. Now you must leave my property alone.
The handwriting is clearly written on the wall.
Say what did they happen?
That you are no longer interested in this marriage.
Hey.
Because you are not ready to settle down. I'm just even trying to force myself, to push myself.
Me not ready to settle down?
Yes.
Hey, before you even start going to not ready to settle down, like all those men say, it's because of your baby, that is why you need a child benefit. Please, give me my documents. Put it on my name.
Why? Why your name?
Why my name? Hey,
please ask her which name is she bearing. What is your what name?
My father's name, the name I was having. That document was not crying over my father's name. That document you didn't marry. Let me see. No, it is not your right. It is not your right. They are saying it. Please share this video. Everybody must get to see this man Nyash. Everybody must get to see this man Nyash. Oh, they go see your Nyash.
See my Nyash.
Yes, you just the fresh. You just the chop money. You just the chop money. You go Nigeria. You go collect rent. The land property in Lagos. You go to. You just the be oga. Me I dey here they breastfeed. You don't even care how me and my children are faring.
So
you just they travel go Nigeria all the time. They manage money like as if say now you make them. No.
That's small thing I wish to keep person.
Yes, that's small thing wish to keep person. I need my property.
So I never knew I was living with the devil in
I need my property. I need my property back. I need it all. Don't even go there.
I will bomb.
No. I need my property.
Leave myself.
I work so hard to make those things happen. You should work hard, not because you just come, you never even make anything, you just go claim my property, all in the name of marriage. All in the name of marriage, guys. He never make anything. He now marry me. I say he came for a reason. I have been in abroad for over 15 years. I have worked so hard to achieve all those things. And my husband just came 5 years ago. We met each other. We got married 3 years ago. And now he has not been able to achieve so much. He's putting all my property on his name. Or just because maybe he came for the property. If he loves me, I think he should wait. And let things happen naturally. Yes, you are a man.
For the past 3 years,
man.
For the past 3 years, I've been waiting. Have I not been waiting?
Waiting for what?
No, you said if I love you, I should wait.
Hey.
Before I change the property. The very day you did that traditional wedding, you ceased being answering your father's name.
Yeah? I'm not answering my father's name when I go any office. Those documents was not troubling you. Those documents with my father's name have nothing to do with you and I. Can't you understand? I don't know if I'm stupid. I'm going crazy right now because I'm tired of explaining.
Because you are crazy. Because I cannot understand what she is saying.
Yeah.
Okay, you just check it. Okay, I will tell my friends that my wife is the owner of this mansion. Her name is written on the document.
And then?
And me, I don't have anything. And she will be, I don't understand what she is even saying. Because to me, I believe that hence we are married, we are now one. So everything that belongs to her belongs to me.
I still have to give you the authorization, my dear. If I want to,
I don't need your authorization, my dear.
Hey!
I don't need it.
Hey!
Why will I need your authorization?
So you mean now those properties, my big house and the landless property, you now on your name?
Not your property, it's our property. Our property.
I'm finished.
What's wrong with you now?
I'm finished. Tomorrow now you will fight for a divorce, you will carry another girl. I'm finished.
You are the one that is trying to fight for a divorce because of the property.
I know what you are working on. I can't trust you. Men in Europe is not to be trusted like that.
Is it women to be trusted?
Give me back my document, I beg you. Give me back my document.
I don't know why you.
Give me back my document.
What's wrong with this one?
Give me back my documents. Give me back my house.
Don't hold my shirt.
Give me back my documents.
So give me back your.
Give me back my documents.
Let me leave you here to start misbehaving there. What's wrong with you?
How could you have done this to me? All I have worked so hard to achieve. All I have worked so hard to achieve. He has taken it away from me. You have taken it away from me. God will punish you. You must give me back my document today. Otherwise, look at what they are saying. Nowadays, focus on money. Nowadays, focus on money. That will not make sense. Wait. I dislike men who ask for women property. Hey!
Who said that statement?
Not you who said that thing.
Who made that statement?
They are going to settle the matter.
That's what?
They are going to settle the matter.
That's what?
Collect your property back.
Why?
Give me my property. Give me my property.
This person that is making that comment.
I will get you naked. I will get you naked here.
What's wrong with you now?
I said, in fact, I go hold your prick. I go hold your prick. Oh. If care is not taken, I go hold your prick. I go hold your akpamo. I go hold your akpamo. I go hold am.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with this
Oh
girl?
God. I go hold your akpamo.
My engine room.
Yes, your engine room. It will never function again if care is not taken. Give me back my property, or I will hold your akpamo.
You hold your akpamo.
I will hold your akpamo. I will hold your brocos.
Me.
Yee. I will hold your brocos. If care is not taken, I will hold this brocos right now. I'm waiting. You cannot eat your cake and have it. How could you have done that to me? See me, I dry. I dry like Tinko. You just enjoy it. They put on two necklaces. See two necklaces so you put on the neck.
Sit down, Jerry. I not get your time. If you don't
see two necklaces.
If you don't finish, you will rest.
Men when they put on two necklaces, man, I run for them. Two necklaces. Now you put for eye. Now you put for neck.
Now you jealous today again now. Two necklaces now is your problem now.
You know see. You know see I see balance.
I put two necklaces now.
No see. Wait, are you acting or it is real? Oh, my wonderful sister, thank you for this question. It is real. It is real. Share this video and let his family see him. His family must see him. His friends. All those people where they brag. Go give for Nigeria. They must see him. Share this video. You must give me.
Are you trying to bring me out?
Are
you trying to bring me out? What is wrong with you now?
Give me my documents. Give me my documents. I'll go use my head and hit you if you don't give me my properties.
Is it because of documents you are behaving like this?
Give me my documents.
Is it because of documents you are behaving like this?
Because of my house? More than 50 million and he's asking me if it's because of that I'm behaving like this.
How much is 50 million? How much is 50 million?
I don't marry.
Just only 50 million I took from property that Not, I did not even take it from her.
Eh?
It is in our name. Why you, what's wrong with you now?
I know where you are going. Give me, and then we'll focus on our relationship. You give me my house, my documents, my landed property in Lagos, and we focus on our relationship. If hadn't been you have seeked for my concept, it would have been different. No. You give me, if you don't want the relationship anymore, good and fine. If you don't want the relationship anymore, good and fine.
Let me ask you a question.
Which question?
Let me ask you a question. Choose one out of the two.
What?
Is either this marriage or the property? So you choose one. No, you choose one now. If you're afraid of the marriage, then you let me know. Is either you take back your property, I change it back to your name, or
okay, give me back my property.
So you want this marriage?
It's over. Go and bring me my property.
I'm not giving you any property.
Hey!
I'm not giving you anything you want to do.
Then I go hold your prick. I go hold your pricky. I go hold your prick, oh. I go hold your prick. I go show you, say, do you want to make this money, eh? I see heaven. Do you want to make this money? Don't even underestimate me. I go hold your prick. Hey. I am ready to hold his prick. You not give me my money, I go hold him boss, in Brocos. I go hold him Brocos. Get a lawyer. Lawyer for Nigeria or for here in Germany. Lawyer for Nigeria or for here in Germany. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Only 50 million. Imagine, oh. Give me back my documents. Give me, oh. Give me. Before I hit my head on your chest.
Because of 50 million.
Because of 50 million.
Property. That is why you are misbehaving. Just because of 50 million worth of property. You value property more than your marriage. You value property more than your husband, more than your home.
Hey.
Oh God.
You don't value property. Why changing it?
You are very, very wicked.
Eh?
You are very, very wicked. You must be heartless for you to say that you prefer 15 million naira than your property.
My marriage.
Yeah, you prefer 50 million property than your marriage. Is that not madness? That is why there is enough single mother everywhere. A lot of single mother everywhere. Because they don't want to settle down.
If you ever open your mouth and insult single mothers, I will so deal with you physically and spiritually.
You are already a single mother. You are already a single mother the way it is going now. Because right now, I cannot tolerate this round thing. Cannot tolerate this nonsense.
Look at you, shameless man.
I'm a shameless man.
You give me my documents. Give me.
I'm a shameless man.
I am ready to sign for a divorce. Guys, we are ready to sign for a divorce right now. We are ready to sign for a divorce. That is just the truth. So, my brothers and sisters, good evening. My name is Mabel K.O.Sifo, and everybody knows me to be Meliab. Okay, this is a topic which we have brought here again. Alright, we don't want to be making it too long for you so that you have your data to watch it. Now, let's go straight to the point. A woman has been complaining and crying so very bitterly how her husband has been treating her. You get? And now, right now, he has changed the whole document, 3 years of marriage, and the man has never been giving them attention at home. He changed the whole landed properties and the house to his own name without even asking the woman for her own opinion or seeking her concepts. So, is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? So, Oga, I will come and fight you if you don't give her the document. Exactly. They will come and fight you if you don't give me back my document. Okay? So, this matter is big. This man, this video will get to you because you have already left the house. You have already left the house and you have taken this woman's property. That means you were never serious for this relationship. So, you came to steal. And you are a devil. Because that is exactly what the Bible speaks. He said the devil came to steal, to destroy. And to do what?
To kill, to steal, and to destroy.
Yes. So this man has left the house, collected definitely really the properties. Okay? So at the end of the day, I think It is not fair. And this brother, the reason why you must share this video is because he has blocked this woman, and this woman has children for him. He blocked her in every way. She can't reach them. And she tried to reach the family member. The family member are still making trouble with her, like, you are not serious, you are not a good woman, you make trouble too much, what is property? That is the member of the man, that is the in-laws them. So please, share this video, because we are ready as well to fight for this woman. I want this video to get to this man. My sister, please share this video to any, and if you said he has blocked you on Facebook, there must be one of his friends you can share this video to, that maybe he can see it. We are here to fight back for the women. I am here, literally here, to fight back for the women. I'm ready to even take my own lawyer. I've been doing it before to fight. I have insurance for this. And sorry, that is the reason why I'm here. Okay? We are ready to fight for this woman, because those properties belong to this woman. And you have even left her. If hadn't been, you are still in that house, would have been still better. You can't take what is not belonging to you. You came for marriage, you came for love, and you should focus on your family, focus on your relationship, and not stealing. It's called stealing. Something somebody has not given you a signature to. Please change this document to your name. That means you stole something. Okay? And I have seen enough. You can read the comment. My people, read the comments, my wonderful sister, the comment that they are leaving for you. You're still going to get a lot of comments. The other time, the problem we were having with the other woman, somebody even volunteered. He's a human rights lawyer. He volunteered, we exchanged contact, and the man is standing for this woman for free. So if you know you are a lawyer in Africa or in Germany, and I don't know where they can help this woman, please inbox us so we can connect you with this woman and see how we can help her all together. 50 million, the property is worth 50 million. 2 landed property in Lagos. Yeah, is a lot of money. And then a house in Benin is a lot of money. Okay, so this man, I think it is not good for you to take away what is not belonging to you. And please leave your sincere comment. Share this video and see if we can get any lawyer that can support us to fight this issue in Nigeria already. Because to me personally, it's called stealing. This man stole this woman's property, despite that the 2 of them are married. If you are in, let me just leave a little advice. If a man want to settle down with a woman, you shouldn't look into another woman's property. Just wait, be patient. When the relationship is flourishing, when the relationship is going smooth, when there is happiness, peace, and harmony in that marriage, the woman will even tell you one hand, say, those property, let's join it together to both of you names. It has to be Mabel K. Osifo and Eliab Osifo. For example, Mabel K, because my name is Mabel K Osifo, and then his name, for example, then you both can change it together. Then 2 of your names should be there. But in this way, this man just took away the woman's name completely and changed it to his family name. As in, to his own name completely, that same family name. Which I see not being right. Please, we, the singles that are here, should always be careful choosing a life partner, okay? Because a whole lot is happening. A whole lot is happening. A whole lot is happening. And somebody said it is very, very bad what the man has done. Please, when you are leaving this comment, be specific, specify exact who did this. It is very bad what this man is doing or has done. Okay, because I see it not being reasonable for you to remove 50 million. This woman worked so hard, and you just came 5 years ago. You haven't achieved anything, and now you have collected everything that is belonging to someone who has been here, worked so hard for over 15 years to your name. Okay, marriage these days is not something, sometimes it's shaking. Okay, most homes are shaking, and now he has even left the house. That is evidence of it all. He left the house. You can fight with your wife. You can quarrel with your wife. You can have a misunderstanding with your wife. That will not prompt you to leave the marriage immediately. You should still stay because it's for better and worse. So now you have packed your property. You left with those documents. So you have achieved 50 million within 5 years. And someone who has been here for over 15 years has nothing left rather than burden with the children that you left her with. Okay? Somebody said, I just had been too loud and unreasonable. I am not being unreasonable. This is a topic. If I am shouting too loud, I'm very sorry. For that reason, I say I'm sorry, because that is how I speak. I'm really annoyed, and this is a topic where is a quarrel. So from quarrel to calm down is not gonna be easy, because I am pissed off. Really, I'm pissed off, because such a thing that we continue to have is not good. It's not good. I'm really not. I'm shouting because I'm pissed off. How can you collect 50 million property from a young lady? She worked so hard for it. So if you say I'm being unreasonable, then you are one of those guys who extort women, who make the single mothers, who insult women, who go out there, you drink, and you just, misbehave. So have a good attitude. Because if you're a God follower, this what I am saying and this topic will not irritate you a bit. So a man like this young man who just left a topic, I don't know if he's maybe it can be a fake account. So please, be a nice man, okay? Be a nice man. It's good to be good, and it's not good to be bad. All right? So please share this video so that it can get to this young man. Share this video so that you can get to this young man. This young man, please return everything that you know is not belonging to you. And if there is any human rights lawyer, please share this video so that volunteer to see how you can give us advice, how you can support us to see if we can claim that property back from this man. Okay, because it seems like as if he's not ready for this relationship. Please, we need human rights lawyer in Nigeria, and then who can help us, who have a reasonable advice. Share this share this video, and let this woman get all the comments and replies from you. Thank you so much. God bless you as you just do so. Thank you so much. We gotta go. Love is a brave thing. This is KO Family Program. Like, love is a brave thing. Don't get it twisted. We love you so much. Thank you for always being there. Love you guys. Bye-bye.